Welcome to Ideas for Better Learning, where you will find fun ways to take control of your learning. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to get the central idea of a text. What I want to share with you is the use of a tool called wordle. It's really a text analysis tool. What can wordle do? Well, Wordle creates a word cloud with the most commonly occurring words in the text, and it's very simple to use. You just copy a text and paste it into it. Now, the question would be, why Wordle? Well, it helps you capture the gist or central idea of any given text. It also helps you to focus on the vocabulary and grammar in a motivating way. Once you have your cloud, you can examine the frequency of the words in a text and the phrases in it. Let's look at an example. This text was taken from a well-known British newspaper called The Guardian. What do you think this article is about? Well, obviously, if you look at the picture, and at the title, you will see that it's about glaciers. And it tells about melting, etc. Okay, so that's the information we can get from the picture. Now, let's look at the word cloud created in Wordle. Obviously, you have again the word glaciers, disappear, Alps, global warming, mountains. So immediately you get a very good panorama of the main emphasis of the text. What you have to do is to examine the frequency of words and phrases in the cloud. Which words are central? Well, Wordle is an excellent tool to discover that because the most frequent words usually have a bigger size. Could you identify the central idea? Now let's look at this second example. Look at the words in the cloud. You have in a bigger size the word Port-au-Prince, earthquake, fault, magnitude, Haiti, capital, etc. Now, could you try to guess which is a possible heading for this word cloud? Option 1, a deadly quake in seismic hot zone. Option 2, Haitian donors look at recovery plans. Option 3, saving lives, efforts and troubles. Okay, you can write your answer in the blog. Now you have the first activity. Select a newspaper article and any text that you're interested in. Copy and paste the selection in Wordle. And then look at the resulting cloud. Remember that the size of the words represent how often they are used, so they are important to the topic of the text. And then, well, why not? Have some fun and edit the shape, the colors, and the font in the cloud. To help you see how easy it is, let's look at Wordle in action. Ready? This is the home page, so you have to type in your Google search the word Wordle. It will take you to www.wordle.net. This is the home page, and then click on Create. Okay, what you will see now is a space where you can paste the text. Let's find a text. I have selected a text from this famous film that you have probably seen called Avatar. Let's see how this text looks in Wordle. Okay, so you select the text. Control copy. And then let's go to Wordle and paste it there. Okay, once we have pasted the text, we just click Go. Okay, here we have our Wordle cloud, and we can play with the layout, with the colors, etc., with the type, the font. So there are many things you can do with this. Have fun. Okay. If you would like to continue playing with Wordle, it would be interesting to compare clouds for two different articles and see on the same topic and see if you can find a difference in the Wordle cloud. Well, I hope you can identify the central idea of the text using Wordle. Please write your comments in the blog for this series. Thanks for participating.